Good morning, everyone. My name is Prachi, and I am here to speak on the topic drug addiction and withdrawal syndrome. The action goal is to fight against the harmful drugs by creating awareness and prevention among the youth regarding drug abuse. Secondly, the purpose is to express the concepts and values upon which the community operates and hence create strategies to reduce the desire and willingness to use drugs. Drug addiction has always been a cause for the youth to get destroyed and less focused to their aims. Drug addiction is also called as substance abuse disorder. It's a disease that affects the person's brain and behavior and leads to an inability to control the use of legal or illegal drugs or medications. Substances such as alcohol, marijuana, and nicotine are also considered as drugs. When one's addicted to drugs, they consume it despite knowing the fact that it can be fatal. At some point, it becomes a complex neurological disease that requires integrated treatment of the mind, body, and spirit. Addiction is chronic, it's progressive, and if left untreated, it becomes fatal. The clear example is drug addictions. Individuals struggling with drug addiction often feel that they can't function without the use of the certain drug. Well, this is where the issues get created on hampering the professional goals, personal relationships, and overall health. Well, I would also like to state the fact that it's a misconception that alcohol is not a drug. Anything that alters the mind is a drug, and if taken with addition to drugs, it can be fatal. Let's talk about the signs or warnings regarding drug addiction. Sometimes the warning signs of alcohol misuse or drug abuse are very noticeable. When drug addiction is discovered in its early stage, the chance for a successful recovery increases significantly. Like loss of control, spending less times on the activities that used to be important, drop in the attendance or performance at workplace or schools, needing to use more and more drug in order to create the same level of performance, and lastly, the withdrawal syndromes that increase fatigue and nausea among the youths. Well, let's talk about withdrawal syndrome. It's also called as discontinuous syndrome. It is a combination of physical and mental effects that a person experiences after they suddenly stop using drugs. It is a stage that people can't overcome easily. As I said earlier, that it creates an imbalance in the neurological hormones in the brain and can be fatal. Hence, one must contact rehabilitation center if needed, as they have professional to treat with such situation. According to a report by Hindustan Times, it was seen that 2,500 youths died within the year 2017 to 2019. Well, the blood rush in youths to try new things is nothing new. It has been since ages, but something that destroys the family is really depressing. One must create awareness at the school level. The school must teach the awareness of drug addiction and withdrawal syndrome, and it can be fatal, that it destroys the society, and one must overcome from all the depression they have been suffering without the involvement of the drugs. It's a sincere request to everyone to stop using drugs if they have ever thought of it or even tried. Thank you. With this, I would like to conclude.